Deleting a company file in QuickBooks Online is a decisive action typically taken when you no longer need the company data or want to start anew. Here's how to delete your company. Log into QuickBooks Online. Visit the QuickBooks Online website and log in with your credentials. Access Account Settings. Click on the settings in the upper right corner. Under the Your Company section, select Account and Settings. Navigate to the Billing and Subscription section. Click on the Billing and Subscription tab. Look for the section that lists your current subscription. Cancel your subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription link to start the cancellation process. Follow the prompts confirming your choice to cancel. Delete your company. Once your subscription is cancelled, QuickBooks will retain your company data for a short period. To delete the company file entirely, you will need to contact QuickBooks support for assistance, as there isn't a direct option for deletion within the user interface. Backup important data. Before proceeding, ensure you backup any important financial data, as it may be permanently lost after deletion.